Hello, this is Blaine from High School Elementary, STLP, and today I'm going to be doing 33 divided by 3. Here's the reading problem. In 3 days, Samuel talked 33 minutes on his cell phone. If he used the same amount of minutes in each day, how many minutes did he use in one day? So we're going to take 33. Sorry if my handwriting is bad. All I have is an Apple Pencil and an Apple iPad. And divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3, we know that equals 1. Because 1 times 3 equals 3, or 3 times 1 equals 2. And so 3 times 3 equals 1 again. That is actually a really messy one. It looks more like a 2 or 3. But can we just pretend I wrote it better? And and 3 and 1 times 3 equals 3, or 3 times 1 equals 3 again. So the final answer would be 11 minutes. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you next time.